Is your Google Ads not showing up properly? Are they appearing for products and services that you don't actually offer? Maybe your ads are showing up when people are searching in Google but not showing the right advert. If you found this video, then chances are your Google Ads isn't set up properly. In this video, I'm going to show you the heart of Google Ads so that you know how it differs to other paid advertising, so that you understand not only how to get more inquiries, but to actually get better inquiries from Google Ads. Hey guys, this video is going to focus on what makes Google different to other marketing platforms and why it's the #1 marketing tool in the world, and that's no exaggeration. Google gets billions of searches every day. If you're looking for somewhere to go on holiday, you search on Google. You need something answered, you Google it. 92% of the world's population who are online use Google. So for Google to monetize this hugely successful search engine, they match up billions of searches every single day to relevant adverts. And the main way they do this is by matching up the search term that people type into Google and the keywords that businesses bid for. And then they bring them together. So for example, if I was to search for a divorce solicitor, then I would expect to see adverts from family law. I wouldn't want to see commercial law or criminal law, intellectual property, because that's not relevant. And Google wants to show relevant ads, otherwise people will start using other search engines. But what happens if I type in, "Why are divorce lawyers so slow?" or "the worst divorce solicitors in my area"? You wouldn't necessarily want your advert to show up when people are searching for this, right? Well, this is how Google differs in how they decide when to show your ad and when not to. It's called match types. Match types allow Google to decide which ads are relevant and which aren't. The more relevant your keywords are, the more chance that your ads will be shown up for the correct search term. The match types include broad match, phrase match, exact match, and negative match. In general, broad match gives Google the license to predict other words that might mean the same and still show your advert. So in the previous example, it could allow Google to show your advert when someone types in, "How do I separate from my girlfriend?" The chances of a family law getting business from that search is probably minimal. Going down to the other end of the spectrum, you have exact match, which means that exact words have to be in the search term for your ad to appear. So again, in the example, if you were to have an exact match for divorce solicitors, your ad will only show up when someone types in divorce solicitors. The downside to this is if someone typed in divorce solicitors near me or divorce solicitors in London, then your adverts aren't going to show. So you see, structuring your Google Ads campaign and keeping on top of your keywords and match types are essential for a successful Google Ads campaign. It can reap you great rewards if done properly. It can get you lots of inquiries and lots of sales, but you've got to be able to keep on top of what people are searching for in Google and to be able to display the correct ad in front of them. If you're currently running a Google Ads campaign but feel that you should be doing better, then click on the Contact Me button and drop me a message, and I'll review your Google Ads account on a free one-to-one strategy session. For more tips and advice, visit my website leadgenguy.co.uk, where you can download my Google Ads checklist for free.